Look, I think there's an even more basic problem. Okay. Yeah. The problem is the Chinese and the Indians. We can go to a post-industrial society and all live, growing beets in the United States and Europe. They're not going to stop building coal-fired plants. They haven't stopped building them. Maybe they will promise to stop building them. Europe, basically, if you look at a graph, Europe is like a tiny fraction of the world's CO2 right now. Okay, in the U.S. we still emit a lot, but the Chinese emit a lot more, and I think the Indians are on track to pass us if they haven't passed us already. So we can destroy our own economies, and it won't make that much difference, unfortunately. So that's a real problem.
We are really concentrating on climate, and we're really concentrating on our impact, but we also have to be concentrating on what other countries are doing and our ability to economically compete with them and be sustainable.
That's right.
That's one of the really important things that we should have probably learned from the pandemic when we couldn't get stuff.
That's right.
Like, yeah, you couldn't get anything from overseas because they couldn't, because COVID, lockdowns.
We do not want to be in the pockets of the Chinese. They're not necessarily. I mean,
we can have it.
Well, yeah, we are. We are. Listen, we can have it.
It's a zipper merge. 1, 2. 1, 2.
Listen, you were on my lane. You hit me.
I was not on your lane.
Yeah,
I was all the way over here. I did not hit you.
Oh, I hit you then.
Okay. Please.
No, you please.